my guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Derek Designs. Today we are going to see how to remove background in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, before we get into our video, please, if you haven't subscribed, please just give me your subscription. I like it and I love it so much. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and we are good to go. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's just dive into our video of today, how to remove in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so this is my Photoshop, or my working interface for Photoshop. What we are going to do, this is the artboard I'm going to use. If I finish removing background, I'm going to be placing my photos or my images on this interface. Alright, first step number one, you're going to come here, file, open. You're going to import your file you want to remove background. Okay, this is the image I want to remove, and open it. Alright, so as you can see, it's fully it's having a background, but we want to remove it. We want to remove background and be free to place it in any workspace we want to use, or give it any background of our choice. Okay, so step number one, come here, select subject. Okay, so on this step we are going to allow our artificial intelligence for the software to select our image on its own. So here you don't do much work. So after, you can see artificial intelligence has already done its job, so you will be able to just clear some few simple steps, or some few simple layers that it has not selected, like this layer. If you want to remove it, you can come and select this polygonal lasso tool. You can come and also add it. Okay, you can select it manually if you like. Right, so it's selected also. So you can come also check other areas, have they been selected. Now like this area also is not selected, you will come and select your polygonal lasso tool and select it by your own. So with this step, or with this way, you don't do a lot of work by your own. It's the artificial intelligence for the software that does the biggest part of the job. So after checking all areas, you see they have already been selected. You also come and select this, and pass. Okay, so you can also add this. Job has been done. Okay, so there you can select your image. As you can see, the background is left behind, and bring your image here. Alright, as you can see, we've only imported the image. Clicking my shift and out to adjust the size of the image without losing the detail. So step number two, you again go import your image. You want to change the background. I want to change this one. I want to remove this one. For this step, we are going to use pen tool. Alright, we are going to use our pen tool. Come and open these layers, unlock this background. Alright, so with this pen tool, you are going to select your pen tool. Come and set this to shape, remove the fill. Alright, you can use your stroke if you like, so, and zoom in. So here we are good to go. Come zoom in completely, as much as you feel that you are now comfortable with it. So if you click like this, you will see this area has been already created for the shape. So we are going to select the whole photo or the whole image by cutting out the background. Alright, so without wasting more time, I'm going to speed this up to save time and to cut the video a little short. After you've made all this, right click, make selection. This you can give it feather radius, you can give it either 1 or, but let me leave it to 0. Okay, make OK. After you've made that, come in your layers panel, come and uncheck this lock background, because if you don't uncheck, your image won't go. So come and select your move tool. After you selected it, come select your image and take it to your workspace. You want to fill your background. Okay, so guys, with these few simple steps, you are ready to remove and transform your background layers in any ways you like. Okay, as you can see here, I fixed some background, as you can see. Okay, so here you are free to change any background you like. So if you want to give them also colors, okay, let me change some color and see any color you want, you can transform them. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe and leave for me a like button to help my video to be recommended to more other people. Otherwise, let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.